Ever wondered why some people seem to have a magic touch when it comes to money while others are always playing catch-up? What if it's not magic but a skill that anyone can learn? Welcome to a journey towards mastering money. This isn't about getting rich quick or chasing the next big thing. It's about understanding how money works and making it work for you. Step 1, know where your money goes. It sounds simple, yet many people overlook this crucial step. Keep track of every penny you spend for a month. You'll be surprised at how small expenses can add up. Step 2, set clear financial goals. What do you want your money to do for you? Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, having clear goals will guide your financial decisions. Step 3, create a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your money. It helps you align your spending with your goals. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about spending with purpose. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable. Having an emergency fund can provide a financial safety net for unexpected expenses or income loss. Step 5, pay off debt. Debt can be a significant roadblock to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Step 6, invest in your future. Investing is about growing your money over time. It can be as simple as contributing to a retirement account or as complex as trading stocks. The key is to start investing as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. Step 7, continually educate yourself about money. The world of finance is constantly changing. Stay informed and adapt your financial strategies as needed. To master your money, start by understanding where it goes. Set clear financial goals and create a budget to help you achieve them. Build an emergency fund for financial security and pay off debt to pave the way for financial freedom. Invest in your future and never stop learning about money. Mastering money isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about making money a tool that serves you, rather than a master that controls you. So take these steps, apply them, and watch as the magic of mastering money unfolds in your life. It's not a far-off dream, it's a reality that awaits you. It's time to master your money. It's time to take control. It's time to make your money work for you. Remember, the path to money mastery is a journey best shared. If you found value in this video, or if it sparked a new way of thinking about your finances, we'd love for you to join our community. Hit the like button to let us know you enjoyed this content. It helps us to create more of what you love. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos packed with financial tips and strategies. Together, we can build our financial knowledge and secure our financial futures. So what are you waiting for? Engage, like, subscribe, and let's master the art of money together.